Hey dessert lovers, remember our awesome mug cake adventure? Get ready for 5 more magnificent recipes. These single-serving treats are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth anytime. Whether you're craving warm spices, fruity flavors, or chocolatey goodness, we've got you covered. Each recipe is quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Grab your favorite mug, your trusty microwave, and let's get baking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ready for round 2? Let's go. And stay tuned for 5 more magnificent surprises. First up, it's a classic with a twist, Snickerdoodle Surprise. This mug cake captures the warm, cinnamony goodness of Snickerdoodle cookies in every bite. Get ready for a soft, cakey center and a delightful cinnamon sugar topping. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon packed light brown sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, quarter teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, quarter teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. 1. In your mug, mix the flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon, and salt. 2. Add the milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Stir until just combined. 3. In a separate small bowl, mix together the remaining 1 tablespoon granulated sugar and quarter teaspoon cinnamon. 4. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture evenly over the batter in the mug. 5. Microwave on high for 60 to 80 seconds or until the cake is cooked through. 6. Let cool for a minute before enjoying your warm Snickerdoodle Surprise. Craving something rich, moist, and full of flavor? Our sticky date delight is here to save the day. This mug cake is bursting with sweet caramelly dates and topped with a luscious sticky sauce. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 4 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, quarter teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons chopped dates, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon water. Instructions. 1. In your mug, combine the flour, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. Add the milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. 3. Gently fold in the chopped dates. 4. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the remaining 1 tablespoon brown sugar and water. 5. Pour the batter into your mug. Microwave on high for 60 to 80 seconds or until cooked through. 6. While the cake is still hot, pour the brown sugar sauce over the top. 7. Let it sit for a minute to allow the sauce to soak in. Grab a spoon and dive into your sticky date delight. Next up is a fall-inspired favorite, Apple Crisp Craving. This mug cake combines tender cinnamon-spiced apples with a buttery crumble topping for the ultimate comfort food treat. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 4 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, quarter teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons diced apple, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon rolled oats, 1 tablespoon chopped pecans, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, half tablespoon cold butter cut into small pieces. Instructions. 1. In your mug, combine the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. Stir in the milk, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. 3. Gently fold in the diced apples. 4. In a separate small bowl, combine the cinnamon, oats, pecans, brown sugar, and cold butter. 5. Use your fingers to rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. 6. Sprinkle the crumble topping evenly over the apple batter in the mug. 7. Microwave on high for 60 to 80 seconds or until the topping is golden brown and the cake is cooked through. 8. Let cool slightly before enjoying your warm apple crisp craving. Chapter 5. Microwave Blondie Mug Cake. Craving something sweet and quick? This microwave Blondie mug cake is your answer. Packed with sweet, creamy white chocolate chips, this Blondie is the perfect treat for any time of day. Ingredients: quarter cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, quarter teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons melted butter, quarter teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons white chocolate chips. Instructions. 1. In a microwave-safe mug, mix together the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. Add the melted butter, vanilla extract, and milk. Stir until well combined. 3. Fold in the white chocolate chips. 4. Microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds or until the Blondie is set. 5. Let it cool for a few minutes before enjoying your delicious microwave Blondie mug cake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Chapter 6. Microwave Rice Pudding Mug Cake. Looking for a comforting dessert that's quick and easy? This microwave rice pudding mug cake is just what you need. With its creamy texture and warm spices, it's the perfect treat to indulge in. Ingredients: half a cup of cooked rice, quarter cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg. Instructions: 1. In a microwave-safe mug, combine the cooked rice, milk, sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. 2. Stir until well mixed. 3. Microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds, or until the mixture is hot and the milk is absorbed. 4. Let it cool for a few minutes before enjoying your delicious microwave rice pudding mug cake. And there you have it. Another simple and satisfying mug cake to add to your collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delightful recipes. See you next time.